tell me how good I look?
You look great, Mum.
No. Chocolate cake. Why did it have to be chocolate cake?
What are you muttering about?
Mum, chocolate cake is Pooka's favourite food. He'll be drawn to it like a bee to honey.
Doesn't the bee make the honey? Why is he drawn to something he makes?
That's not important. I think you should leave the cake here.
Now that's funny.
I'm serious.
Now, you're in charge, and I don't want to hear from either of yous unless the cabin is on fire. Understood?
Understood.
And under no circumstances are you to let Kevin out of your sight.
But Mum!
Okay, get it.
Mum!
Is that all right?
No mention that you got fired from your job, okay?
What?
And did I mention you're an architect, not a chef?
I'm a what? I'm an architect.
Let's go.
I've got a new job, kids. What do you mean I'm an architect? I can't build a Lego house, never mind a real house. I don't know anything about architecting.
Sit and shut it.
This is so good. I've never even heard of cauliflower churros. It's super delicious.
I'll give you the recipe.
Oh, great.
So, Tom, Mary mentioned you're an architect.
Yeah. Oh, I love architecting, me. I'd tell you what architect all day if I had the chance.
But you're not working at the moment?
No, I was up until...
Tom is just taking some time to work on his own passion projects.
It's so important to make time for what matters to you.
Yeah.
So what is your passion, Tom?
Oh, see, the one problem I have with modern architecture is that there's not enough wheels.
Wheels.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, the Pooka is going to go after Mum's chocolate cake. We need to stop him.
You sound totally nuts.
Why does no one ever listen to me?
Because you sound totally nuts.
Fine, I give up. You win. I'm going to my room to read for the night.
I'm so sorry, Priya. This is my soon-to-be very punished son.
I could give you an explanation, but I know you won't like it, so I won't.